Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 7382 Gauss Road in Bloomfield.
This is a spectacular hilltop country estate on over 11 acres with an outbuilding.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour. This is phenomenal open country living. With a spacious kitchen with a center island breakfast bar, beautiful wood cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and beautiful hardwood floors. Leading to the dining area with a sliding glass door to the deck, and living area with a picture window, all with scenic country views. Enjoy that authentic country charm in this expansive family room, with a stunning stone fireplace and hardwood floors with custom flame details. The character and charm is exceptional. Plus, a convenient first floor powder room and laundry. The upstairs features 3 spacious bedrooms with hardwood floors, including a country view primary bedroom, with an adjacent updated full bathroom.
This amazing property has excellent quality and craftsmanship, which is evident in the details, with newer windows and vinyl siding. This spectacular backyard acreage has it all, with this entertainment-sized deck and slate patio, with a beautiful pool, plus nature at its best, with hiking trails too. This outbuilding is just amazing for all your storage needs. This estate-sized acreage has a wonderful vineyard with many great varieties. You could even start a mini winery. In real estate, it is all about the location. Location, location, location. This rare and premium location with over 11 hilltop acres is near the village of Bloomfield. Bloomfield is a great place to live.
It's rich in history with many things to do. All located near Canandaigua Lake and Bristol Mountain. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 7382 Gauss Road in Bloomfield.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here.